What if managing your money felt as easy as scrolling on your phone and it came with rewards built in? This is informational content sponsored by crypto.com, and this should not be considered as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies come with a lot of risk like price volatility and market risks. So before you decide to trade cryptocurrencies, make sure about your risk appetite. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing crypto.com with you and how this is actually going to make your life easier by managing your money. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm now on the official website of crypto.com, and this is where you are going to take your wealth to the next level. Guys, so let me quickly show you how easy and simple it is to quickly log in. So if you want to log in, you literally go there and then you can log in with a QR code. So you can literally go onto the crypto.com app, scan yourself in, and then you are already logged in. So literally 2 buttons and a scan and you are logged in. Okay, guys, and just like that, you will have instant access to premium benefits without needing a complex setup. So as you can see, it's a very, very clean website and they're really focused on making you level up. So as you can see, they have lots of markets here, crypto predictions and trending coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and they have Doge coins and Chronos. They have individuals right here as well. So you can join the level up, and that is where you are going to be unlocking the premium features. They have businesses that they work with, and then you can go to discover as well to find out a little bit more about crypto.com. Okay, guys, so crypto.com, you might ask who it is for, and it's literally built for everyone. So they have a secure app that you can use, whether you are a beginner or a veteran or a pro, like it does not matter. Crypto.com is for all of you because they have a secure app that is actually easy to use, like I said, user friendly, and it has a lot of premium benefits as well. And the great thing about it is that crypto.com will work globally. Hey guys, so if I scroll down, you will see that they have 0 trading fees. And when I scroll down even more, every time you spend, you will get 6% on CRO spending. So you'll get 6% back on literally what you spend. You will also get rebates on everyday apps like Netflix and Spotify. So using them, you'll get rebates and you'll actually make money off using apps that you use all the time. And they have core financial values. So top yielding accounts will bring you back 5% APY, and they will have waived trading fees to maximize your gains. So what is there that they do not actually provide? Crypto.com actually gives you everything to be successful in the trading game. So why would you waste your time? Go check them out. That is literally how good they actually are. And they only want you to level up. So why would you want to stay behind? Take your wealth to the next level without any hassle. Start your 30-day free trial with Level Up and see how easy you can earn while living. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until the next one, cheers.